The soup needs tomato. Okay, this is tomato. Tomato! This is tomato! Tomato!
I've got a recipe called tomato soup.
Bro, stop Google! Oh my God!
Recipes are made.
Stop Google! Sorry guys, yung Google, katabi ko yung Google Home. Oh my God, nagsasalita mag-isa. Hello guys, kamusta po sa inyong lahat? Ako po si Danica. So, ayun, nandito tayo sa Roblox. Ayan, nagbabalik na ako guys. Namiss ko mag-Roblox. Oh my God! So, ayun, matagal-tagal na din nung last time na nag-Roblox ako, ano? Well, actually, kahapon lang ako yung last na nag-Roblox. Pero like, ano lang yun, like 5 minutes Roblox lang yun. Kasi talaga kapag wala akong magawa guys, nagro-Roblox ako kahit wala nang magawa dito sa Roblox. Anyway guys, hindi ko na nga alam kung kailan yung last na upload ko sa YouTube. So, check natin ngayon. Oh my God! December 13, 2019! Tignan nyo na ngayon guys! Last year po, yung last na upload ko. Oh my God! Hey Google, what's the day today?
It is Wednesday, the 22nd of January 2020.
2020.
Narinig niyo yun, guys? Sabi ni Google, 2020 na ngayon. Ano ang nangyari sa'yo, Danix? Ewan ko sa sarili ko, naging busy lang ako. Ay, wow, naging busy. Palaging online sa Facebook. De, joke lang. Hindi ko alam, guys. Nakakatamad kasi mag-YouTube. Yun talaga yun. Nakakatamad mag-edit, gano'n, di ba? Pero, sana pagsikapan ko ng mag-upload ng YouTube video ngayon, ano? Kasi, oh my God! 122 subscribers na, day. Dun ka pati namad. Sorry, guys. Parang hyper ako ngayon. But, yeah, tara na, maglaro na tayo ng Roblox. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong lalaruin natin. Gusto nyo ba ng murder mystery? Ito kasi yung lagi kong nilalaro kapag bored ako, ganun. Share mo lang. Masyado na kasing luma yung game na yun eh. Gusto ko yung bago, like bagong-bago dito sa Roblox. Ay, wait! May naalala ko! Meron ako nabasa sa YouTube comments yung, ano daw, Airplane Story 2, ata yun. So, nilaro ko na po yung Airplane Story kasama si Nicole Triles. So, link down into the description below kung gusto nyo mapanood yon. Pero meron na naman siyang part 2 guys, which is this one, Airplane Story 2. So, hindi ko pa po ito nalalaro, ano. So, hopefully, maganda siya. Well, nalaro ko na yung part 1 malamang. Pero like itong Airplane 2 hindi pa. So, ayun, sana maganda siya. Maganda naman yung dati. Sobrang bilis nga, 'di ba? So, basta yung panoodin niyo na lang guys. Link down into the description below kung hindi niyo pa napapanood yung part 1 nito. But anyway, laruin na natin siya guys kasi ito yung requested game sa comments na binasa ko last video. Ganon something. Anyway, so, ayun. Wag mo sabihin Roblox mag-a-upgrade. Ayan, nag-upgrade na naman. Malamang, Danica, hindi ka naglaro ng Roblox ng napakatagal. Malamang mag-upgrade yan. Hay nako, ewan ko guys kung bakit sobrang daldal ko ngayon. Siguro na-miss ko kayo. Corny Monument. Miss ka ba? Corny Monument. Gusto nyo guys, kantahan ko kaya habang nag-upgrade you, man. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Okay, nandito na tayo sa game. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so, andito na po tayo. Oh my God, ba't hindi ako nagalaw? I mean, gumagalaw ako ba? Like, hindi gumagalaw yung mga paa ko. Like, oh my God. Okay, nandito na tayo. May music na nga po siya, no? Gamitin ko ba yung music or hindi na? Sige, gamitin na lang natin, guys, ano? Para may intense. Okay, dito ba tayo? Oh, may jowa dyan. Ayoko maging third wheel. No, no, no. Sana all. Oh, siya lang mag-isasamahan nga natin to. O, diba? May kasama ka na, Jai. Okay, guys. Andyan na tayo. Andyan na tayo. Andito na tayo, Okay, yan. Teleport na. Uy, naks naman. Naging brown. Naging wooden yung airplane. O, yan. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Ba't ganito yung music? Para naman mamamatay na ako, guys. Mamamatay. My name is Kaylee? I don't know. I will be your pilot in this flight. Okay, share mo lang. Share mo lang. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. I know, right? It's like so small, you know? Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome I welcome you to the 991 991? Ay, 911 pala yun, yung pang-ambulance. Oh my God. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Bruh. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day and that is the reason we are here. Okay, share mo lang ulit. Bruh. Ba't kayo nakatayo, Day? Ba't kayo nakatayo? tayo! Ayan, nakaupo na. Yo, what? Are we still... Bruh. Thank you for your cooperation. I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Next room? Saan yung next room? Ayan, ayan. And remember, no one should... Yo, what? Yo, what was that? Did anyone else see that? Welcome to the presidential airplane. Naibit siya! Naibit siya dun! Naibit. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. Wait, feeling ko bad guy to. Follow me to the next room. Let's go. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. But there is something you must know before that. Ano? Tell me. The president is very special. He gets mad very easy. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. Bruh. Oh no, I'm sorry. Yo, what? Look at this mess. The president... Oh, shoot. Yo. Please find something to clean this mess. Or else, we will have to lock zombies for the rest of the flight. Uy, alam na alam ang gagawin. Siguro nanonood to ng YouTube, kaya alam niya ang gagawin. Guys, hindi ako nanood ng YouTube bago laruin to. Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again. Pero maganda din yung ginawa mo, zombie, kasi you clean up your own mess, you know? Okay, nag-block na naman yung screen. Ano kaya meron dito, guys? Uy, saan na yung president? Yun yung president. Parang si Donald Trump. Oo, parang ginaya niya si Donald Trump. Anyway, build that brick wall. Wait, bakit ba ang mad-mad mo? I'm sorry, it's the habit. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Bruh, my name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Robloxia States. You must know you are heroes for these nations. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. Ayan, magagalit siya. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane. Ang sama mo? Ate Danica, you look like a great chef. No! No, man, no! But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you out of the plane, too. Bruh. Yo, what? I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out. No. Are you ready? Time to cook. Ay, hindi ako alam nagag-cook. The soup needs cabbage. Okay, cabbage is right here. The soup needs tomato. Okay, this is tomato. Tomato! This is tomato! Tomato!
I've got a recipe called tomato soup.
Bro, stop Google! Oh my god!
Recipe serves 4.
Bruh!
About 10
Ay!
minutes to make.
Stop Google! Oh my god, Apple. Sorry guys, yung Google, katabi ko yung Google Home. Oh my god, nagsasalita mag-isa. The soup needs cabbage again. Oh my god, I didn't even expected that, Google. The soup needs butter. Bruh, where's the butter? Butter! No, no, I'm gonna be dead. No, no. Bruh, no! Continue. Your balance after... Oh no. Unti na lang Robux ko. Yo, si Google nagsalita. Like, Google, why would you do that? Ang arte ko talaga. Teka lang, ba't tatlo na lang tayo? Bruh. Sorry guys, kung nag-revive ako kasi gusto ko talaga malaman yung story ng airplane story na to. So, yeah. We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. Okay, that's good. Itapon nyo na siya dito. Joke. He should be meeting again at the presidential suite. Welcome to the computer room. Oh, ala. So, kailangan pala nating umalis. Oh my god. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack to our system. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. Okay, in order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure out the code.
A few minutes later.
Ah! Yan lang yung code. Dapat papare-parehas ang color. Okay. Meet with the president in the next room. Galit ka pa rin, Jay. As our very special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential... Oh! Papalit niya tayong i-sleep sa bedroom. Yes! For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? They should be somewhere around this room. Uy, where did you get it? Ay, andyan yung key. Okay. Bilis alam na alam ang gagawin. This is where you will be spending the night. Stay over here. Sabi niya, lava is gonna come. Oh! Hala, spoiler alert naman, Bisit! Ba't mo ini-spoil? Guys? The curtains. Yo, where? Oh my God! Ikaw na naman! Oh no, it's the monster. Ano sabi? Did you forget about me so early? Run! 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 Storage. Okay. Safe tayo dito. The floor! Oh no! The floor! Oh my God, kaya pala nandito ang mga to. Paano nagkalaba eh? Nasa airplane tayo. Dalawa na lang kami, nawala si zombies. Guys, the phone is ringing. Hello, who's there? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Something terrible is happening on this plane. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to pilot cabin. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Yo! Yo! Oh my God. Uy! Anong gagawin? Ah! Ah! Bruh! Bruh! Ba't ako? Ako lang ba yung tao dito? Hayop ba si Popular Girl? Ako lang yung hinahabol, man. Ako lang yung hinahabol, man. That's unfair, man. Unfair, man. The door is open. Get in. Great. Everyone is here. What is going on? We saw that monster again. Ano kayang background ng monster na yun, no? Like, gusto kong malaman kung bakit nagpapakita siya. Do you think, guys, itong babae na to kasabwat din? The good news is, I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. Tell me! He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. That's so sad. And there was something about the planes. He was always so obsessed with planes in a scary way. He liked to read news about plane crashes. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death. Bruh, we're not even there when he died. Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. Yo, he could be any agent or even president, but I'm not sure yet. Take this gun. You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. Pero, patay na siya, tapos papatayin namin ulit. So, saan na siya pupunta? So, who is taking the shot? Me. No, me. I wanna take the shot, man. Do you good at aiming? Never mind, you can shoot. I don't wanna shoot. So, binigay ko na lang sa kanya yung gun. Baka kasi hindi ako marunong ano. There you are. We've been looking for you. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait. Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. I don't trust you. Hala, malay mo hindi sila monster. Just shoot someone. Nag-shoot siya. Sino kaya yung sinut niya? Tama! Tama! Sabi niya, what is that? It's the monster. It has been hunting us since the first trip. It tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Congratulations, passengers. You saved the day once again. That was so scary. Let's go home. Yo! Siya pala yun. Finally, gone. Yo! So, patay na yung monster, guys. Patay na siya, guys. So, yung sa last episode, guys, nanalo din kami ni Nicole. So, panoodin nyo yun, guys. So, thank you kay Popular Girl kasi dahil sa kanya nanalo kami. Paano kaya, guys, kung ano, like, kung ako yung nag-shoot, siguro yung president yung i-shoot ko, ano. Anyway, guys, so, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and, who are you, man? So guys, sana nagustuhan niyo tong video na to and hopefully makapag-upload pa ako ng madaming, hindi ko masasabing madami kasi like may school ako, ganun. So, sana makapag-upload pa ako ulit ng mas maaga, ano. So, ayun guys, yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. So yeah, goodbye! Oh my God, and happy 2020 kasi hindi ako nakapag-New Year sa inyo. I mean, nakapagbati ng New Year. So yeah, bye na talaga guys. Bye, bye, bye!